Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you my honest review about the cordless electric scissors. I'll open the box and I will demonstrate and show you how it works. So let's begin open the package.
So this cordless electric scissors with 4-watt upgraded motor is a handy and time-saving tool for cutting throughout cardboards, plastic, leather, fabric, and more. Designed for both home and professional use, it makes slicing throughout tough materials quick and effortless. The rechargeable battery means you can work without being tied to an outlet, and the cordless design gives you the freedom to move around easily. With the two interchangeable blades included, you can switch them out depending on the material, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. Built-in safety lock prevents accidental activation, adding an extra layer of protection when the tool is not in use. The LED light is a useful feature for working in a dim area or ensuring accuracy along cutting lines. Its comfortable grip and lightweight build reduce hand strain, making it ideal for longer projects. Whether you're breaking down shipping boxes, crafting, or doing DIY repairs, this electric box cutter combines power, safety, and convenience in one compact tool. I really like it and I highly recommend it.